Hi guys, Sheeru here again, and my second video today. So click subscribe down and click the bell icon to remind you in every my new videos, and comment down below and like down below. And today we are going to learn about how to make a gaming intro, free intro without After Effects, Sony, Vegas, and we are doing with Android. Okay, so we can do it. Come up there, just minimizing, go with the YouTube, and search blank 3D intro templates. And I am going to this video, and I'm watching this all. The No, the green background is so boring. So we can't do it now. So you can watch this video for all and you can select. For an example, I am selecting one. Here it is a bonus video template. I have clicked this and it has led me to Google Drive. Um, and click the download button up there. I have already downloaded it and I am re-downloading it. And now for my video, or subscribe for more. It has started downloading. It's up here, and just minimize it. We are going to open Pixel Lab. Download Pixel Lab from Google Play Store and cancel. I don't want to recover it. And I need to delete this. Okay, I need to change this background transparent. We are gonna take this text. We are having to add texts on here. We want to add text. New text. We want to. I am writing Sheeru codes here. And okay. And I forgot to show you that which template I have selected for my video. So look at it. It's pretty good now. And I am doing this, and the video will be up there, and we are going to put the text here also, and we are going to find what happened there. It is rounding, so we are just putting the text out there itself. So we want to go to Pixel Lab and text size, which font or color we want to do it. Always focusing. Better to get red itself, so we are getting the red. Going to no, not red. It's blue, okay? Sorry. And we are going with blue. Best blue. Okay, best blue. Got some changes in the blue. Somewhat dark blue. Okay, we are with the blue here. And stick it. We are making it 3D. Oh my god. I want to enable it. Just enable it. And bold. Not just bold italic. No, it's just italic. Um, no, in cross button. We want. We're going for font. Acknowledgement black 2M 20 dB. Kanji plus spin cycle. Heavy data Boston traffic boycott. Boycott. Capture it too. I may be selecting this. No, it's very power. And no data con. No Daniel Black. Feel good. No boycott. No. Spin cycle. I think it's pretty cool. And minimizing the text size again. No problem for me is minimizing text size. We can largen it in the video. And save it. Image. Save it to gallery itself. No, we don't want to see the ads. We're going to here and yep, power directed bundle version. Why? What is this? What is this? No. What is this? We are creating a new project. Gaming intro. Okay. Download. We're going for download. Yeah. Yep. You want to remove the watermark up there. When you're using Power Director, I will show how to remove Power Director watermark in next video. My next video. The stuck is because of my video. If you produce this video, the stuck will be removed. So we can do this download. No. Images, pixel lab. This Sheeru codes again. No, guys, it's not there. You want to select this? No. You want to select this image here and pixel lab here. Sheeru code. So we will get it under it. So we are running the video. Want to enlarge the size of this font. You can do it in different ways. But if you don't want this type of phone, so you can again go to Pixel app. Yes. So you want to change color and apply gradient. Where is gradient tool? Gradient tool, please. Mm, no gradient tool. Yeah, I have seen the color. Yes, gradient. This type and the thing, this thing. Click it there. No. Now, okay. So the color here, blue. Okay, white here. Color, white itself. Yellow. Hmm. Okay, just this. Just click up here and save this image, save to gallery, saving page, it will be saved, image saved. What? Now wait and delete it. New one, new die, it will not die. Image, pixel app. It is you can click. No, 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 no. Don't tell me what's in this. And uh, okay, we are doing it. Just cutting it off. Okay, we are producing this video with gallery SD. Produce. Be produced soon itself. I will be uploading how to make another attractive and moving 3D intro, animated 3D intro in my next video. So, bye and we can watch this video. What it look like uh, in for director, so we'll have no stack. Wow, it looks amazing, guys. Look it, look it, look it. You cut and again it will be my, I say again it will be my intro. Before, don't forget to watch this. Uh, this is my another intro, like made like this itself. Okay, bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment your suggestions down below itself. Don't get it above, okay? And the first commentator and who comments, I will subscribe his channel if he has said this. If he's subscribe my channel, I will subscribe his channel. I will subscribe my first commentator itself. If you want subscribers, I have 3 accounts, so I will give 3 subscribers or 5 subscribers as I can. So don't forget to subscribe, and bye guys. I'm not waiting for much more time, and my charge is already low, my tablet is so weak, and goodbye.